Queenie, you make England proud, but what a bomber blood clot to not do for me, I ask, no. At least me the got sons a dream weekend and them never want to let blood clot me now. I'm still reaching and boom boom. Big up boom boom and Harry hype. And when boom boom see me say Queenie I can't climb and drop my blood clot and give me a mic. Where? I was showing them a blood clot show, you know. What I do? More than me there party. That's why when anybody invite me, I said I am not going anywhere. Because as a big celebrity, / blood clot superstar, / 50-year-old still there, road still full of chat, now take it back, fat pussy girl still forget top. On the part of them boring no blood clots. I don't lie. I'm beer girl around down blood clot. Me girl put the scream when them see me to me. And I end on me. Why? Why? Me too loud? Me too vulgar? My name Queen. My name Lady. My name Gangster. My all-purpose Mr. P. I serve purposes. Many multiple purpose me serve. I mean a purpose. So what I said to me? The people that want me for truth. Big Vicks. I come back here from Jamaica. Around 3 weeks now. I come back the 10th of May. 3/7/21. 3 weeks I had now I'm here. I'm a pass through on 3-4 places me there, maybe 5. When me stand up and a pop all the selector them color and they beside them and them not juggle one of my song. And it's so, me wonder if them have my song or if them want me lick out them blood clot bottom. So trying to hear me last year, so me not lick bottom. Cause me know it worked. I'm a powerful. I said I power you have. I said I believe you I have. Me not give up on my worthless. When I stifle me. Some of them supposed to have beer blood clot booking in the UK. All if I don't have it, I'm supposed to reach out to me and even negotiate with me because I'm not hard for this. Nobody now look for me. Because I know why I'm going to suck salt through blood clot wooden spoon. I'm not suck no blood through unless it's a salt blood clot. What are you like doing? Man, the whole on the day how long? On a crabbing a barrel blood clot, you know. On a fool on the money. Who cares though, Queenie? Them do me the same thing, but who cares? Just so anyway, my music get played, me get paid and see. Me not get no blood clot. Me care enough. What your name? Me care. Cause I put in a lot of work and more endorse my career. And the more I go out there, go produce, go perform, and the more I deliver. So when you not have me, I say no, nah, give me no bookings, nah, give me no ads, no hosts, me nah do no dub phone, or not no blood clot. Me care. Cause it takes a lot of energy for me to bring myself out into the world. It takes a lot of energy. The things that my people say, I'm still stand up here so. In on the face and stand by them. Me care, Big Vicks. I do care. Big Vicks, me can't beg. Me need to make clean music now. Me have only for clean music, Big Vicks. That don't make no blood clot sense, Big Vicks. Nobody make me take out my problem for you. What do you mean me need to make clean music? Nobody around on clean music? Me have one song say, pain, pain, life is pain. Been through pain all of that is clean music. I may have a next song we say, it's Queenie G. I may have a couple OGs with me. This CNB. London girl, they see in me. 5 kids only perceives in me. People look and believe in me. I sit on up on my frequency. What do you mean by I do clean song? I don't go dirty song with those Big Vicks. That's why I say now help me Big Vicks. Big Vicks, my granny say if you not have good for say, don't say nothing me done. Because that way say no make no sense to me. That mean you not troll me. Because if you troll me, that hear man say, what the next song I'm have is, you know, say my at plus tax, me not broke like cuff the queen, no pay tax, a clean song them there. So what are you saying to me, madam? Big Vicks, right now I'm upset with the whole blood clot worker. Me there, I'm full of energy, Big Vicks, and me not get nothing for though. You understand me? And that's what I am here talking about. So not contradict me if you don't understand where me I come from, Dan. You say, who cares? Me cares. I am the people, them queen. A whole heap of work me put in all on my sick and their blood clot hospital, I still me and them. All if my belly hurt me, I still me and them. So me not get no work. Why? More something for blood clot, though. Come and work for my one, me earn. Me earn. A whole heap of big show there in England. And I'm me. Queenie for out there, me not ask, no me. Which blood clot woman in the industry will stand firm and predominant more than me? There's so much things that me in the UK, then remember me not come extra. A class out on a dirty blood clot because you don't acknowledge me. That is what me I talk about Big Zeeks. Yeah, man. Support over here when you're popping Queenie. I know. You see, because you're a man's Big Zeeks, you're more reserved. You're not going to come out with certain things. But me have the capability to come out with any blood clot thing any moment or any time. I'm not going to cap. I'm not going to pretty up. Enough place me there. I want the blood clot do now. Honestly, me I not play my tune. I not play my... So what me I do in England? I not come... What me I do ya? What the blood clot me I do ya? A England bust me. Me never bust a England. Me never bust a Jamaica. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'ma put in the works. Here, there, and every blood clot wear. Now call my blood clot phone if no money night. Cause no use neither. But things are going. Movements are going. You can't check how much people are all the while. Even Danny Bless. Big up Danny Bless, you know. One Danny Bless, you know. Danny Bless say, Queenie. Oh, you know, there them show there. Are you fair? I mean, I said, Danny, where bones are not provided, dogs are not invited. But when we really process it, I say, but which woman there were active like me? Which? Oh! Answer me the blood clot. Which woman? Me. Me have 50 blood clot 5. I got 60 and the energy I have for the whole of me and my blood clot royal crazy them. So why am I not getting any blood clot bookings? Me not getting no work. Why? Why am I not up on the rota? If Queenie, calm down. If my father never tell Trooper for call me last year, wouldn't there city special? No? I don't know city special alone. It's a whole heap of things them keep. And they don't look at me. No. Me not have no expectation, but me send it out in the universe. On a need for capitalize what I do and everything I do. Remember, I am the people's queen. The queen reign. My always a reign. They lick me, duck me, top me, bounce right back, water. So Big Zeeks. Remember me, you go fuck up Brick Jam. When you go with yourself, this Big Zeeks. But you're a humble youth, you know, Big Zeeks. But you say away from you being humble, you motivate people. And let me tell you this. I forget that props there, my dad. Me not say very regular in a Big Zeeks. But you see, anytime you see my Big Zeeks and you catch my blood clot ears. You see the motivation where you give me youth. It's not, that's how you see you and Danny Best. But look, you see Danny. Even I see Danny for 10 years and me and Danny Bucky come like we just meet. All Danny Depan, Queenie, you know, so you're supposed to go out there and do this. I said to Danny, say, Danny, me not ask none of them. But when me really look into it, me have to cuss on them. On the need for acknowledge me. So Dexter Daps adds, me was the ads queen. Not no last survey, you know. Now get me wrong. I was and still is the queen of ads. My ads them just natural and crazy. And that is one of the things that build me and the music. Music turned me in a celebrity. Turned me in a superstar. But I've been doing this thing from ever since. See that, Dexter? I'm just some old and proper music. Oh, the whole I don't know my history. I don't know my blood clot history. I don't know me. And me no mingle to blood clot. Me real to the blood clot core. So one I sabotage me for my strength as a woman, for my freedom of speech because I'm the woman them speaker. So my turn as me. And I can't blood clot hold me down. Me not rude and disrespectful more than no blood clot by there. So no one say me this no no bad mind as man. And is a fool on the money. On stay one side and don't remember me. What the music industry for? For people who are relevant and have strength. Super big up yourself. Determined. When me catch one blood clot stage as last time, big up Ras Clad. Scam and Natural and Bigs. Me do the interview with them last night and do you them share some love.